As you can see, there are lots of shades of pink in there, and most of them will not work on its own on my skin tone. So I'm going to show you how you can use lip liners to change your lip color or to be able to wear your lip color. Number one, in today's video, I have the Cheeky Rose Beauty and it's called Glossy Baby. It's 12 Universal Lip Palette. They are lip colors. They are sheer. This color I have on right now, but I pair it with my wine lip liner. And this idea came from my sis. She's like, do a video with pink lip colors for our skin complexions. So thank you, sis. Here goes this video, because when I first got this palette, I was like, ooh, this is so sheer. Some of them might not even show up. But I'm going to swatch a couple of them for you, and I'll show you how to use it with either a brown lip liner or a wine lip liner or any lip liner that you love, okay? Keep watching. As you can see, I have swatched 7 out of the 12 shades. These are 7 shades of pink of all different depths. And this is the pan. I did not swatch the orange or the plum. And then the other lighter pinks, they're mimicking about the same that I have on my arm right now. So 7 shades of pink. I'm going to do it without the liner first and then with the liner. So if I do a plain one, then you'll see it with a maroon liner, and then you'll see it with a brown liner. I'm going to do at least 6 for you because I gotta preserve my lips, okay? This pink right here, I have it with the liner already. This is what it looks like in the pan. So now I'm going to take it off with the liner and I'm going to do it plain so you can see. These shades are like glosses already. So now the pink, this pink on my lips. I am just dabbing it. Because it is glossy. Now I have on my lips, I will spread it now. This is what it looks like on me. This is the pink. I'm laughing because if I go step on those light up, people will think I'm dead. This is the pink. And you will see it with the plum liner. I'm going to take my wine lip liner. I'm going to use this pink right here. It's like a Barbie pink. I'm going to use this one right here. And I'm going to put it over this lip liner. This is what the color look like now. This is the lip color. The bright Barbie pink has now become something wearable on my skin tone, and it looks different. And now I'm going to do it with a brown liner so you can see how to wear shades that make you look like you're not there or they don't look right. But a lip liner can fix it and make it look completely different and match your skin tone, your skin complexion. Let us start. I have a Wet n Wild brown liner. So I'm going to line my lips with this color right now. Now that I have the brown line, I'm just going to add a little bit of that color back in. So here you go. You can use this pink with a brown liner and make it work. Now that's the first one. Next pink. This was the first pink. Now I'm going into this pink. Now I'm going into this pink right here. My lips are clean. Again, this is like a glossy color. So I tap it on my lips because since my lips are dry, I don't want to destroy my lips. So I tap it in first. Now that I have on my lips, I'm going to swipe now. This is another pink, which is this one right here on my lips by itself. Now I'm going to use my wine. You can use a wine, a berry, a burgundy lip liner if you have one to change this. Now I am lining. This is what it looks like with the burgundy wine lip liner. If you have a pink that you bought that you think doesn't work for you, try it with a lip liner and see if it works for you now. Right? Now, I'm going to wear that same pink with a brown liner so you can see. I'm going to take this off and start all fresh. Now I reapply that same color and I'm going to try it with a brown liner. I am doing this with you. I have not tried all of them, but I have played with that palette before. Now, this is what it looks like with the brown liner. If you want, you can add more of that pink or more of the brown liner, but this is it. Okay, since all the colors are kind of very light and mimicking themselves, I'm going to do one more for you. And I'm going to do the lightest pink. And it is this one right here. This is the lightest pink. Because mostly all of them, as you can see, has the same undertone. So they all kind of look the same. So I'm going to do one more. And my lips are very comfortable because this is like a glossy lip color. You know what I mean? So it's comfy. Now I'm going to do it different. I'm going to do the brown liner first. So you can see. Liner is on. I'm going into the lightest pink right now. Again, because I have nothing on my lips, I have to dab it in first. And once I have enough on my lips, I will swipe it. This is the lightest pink with a light lining of the brown lip liner. Now I'm going to make it heavier. And I'm going to add a little bit more of that. And this is what it would look like with a brown liner. Now I'm going to show you what it would look like on its own without a liner, and you'll see the difference. Now that pink all by itself, this is what it looks like. I just did it with the brown liner. Without the brown liner, this is what it looks like. That's the pink. This is the pink I have on right now. That's why I told you I'm just gonna do 3 because mostly all of them mimic each other. When you finish using your lip liner, always wipe it off. I always wipe it off with a piece of paper and I go like this to take off what was there before. And you can see. Now I'm going to pair it with my wine lip liner so you can actually see how to change this shade into something wearable for your skin tone. So I blend my lip liner into the lip color, the lipstick, and this is the way I would wear this lipstick. Now I can wear this. You know what I mean? But before I couldn't. Thank you again, sis. I hope this video was helpful to you and everyone who watches it. If you have a lot of lip colors that you don't think is going to work for you, and they look like this, all of them look like this, try a couple lip liners with them. Your favorite lip liner, a different color lip liner, and see what comes out. You can even take a blue or a black or an orange and mesh it together and make them work for you. But this is it. This is it. This is the last one I did with the lightest shade, with the lightest pink in there. And this is it with my wine lip liner. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you always. And if no one told you that you are loved today, let me be the first to say that you are loved. You are loved. Until I see you and you see me, I want you to remember that you belong. You belong. Bye.